There are three things that set Newmont apart from others in the mining industry. The first is our ESG leadership and performance. We have a record that we're very proud of. We believe that the work we do in that space truly differentiates us not just in the gold industry but in the mining industry in general. The second is our portfolio. We firmly believe we have the right sized portfolio of operations that are well balanced across the globe. And the third area is our ability to generate cash. For every $100 increase in gold price above $1,200, we generate $400 million of free cash flow every year. I'm very proud of Newmont's safety performance this quarter and this year of 2020. Our leaders have conducted more than 30,000 critical control conversations across our business globally. And we're starting to see a real improvement in terms of how we're managing those fatality risks. Through that visible, felt leadership out in the field, we have seen a significant improvement in our personal injury rates, and we are running at the best ever across Newmont's 100-year history. We had a very strong third quarter. We generated record free cash flow of $1.3 billion. Our adjusted net income was $697 million. Our adjusted EBITDA was $1.7 billion, and our total liquidity was $7.8 billion, with cash of $4.8 billion. We announced a 60% increase in our quarterly dividend. We have delivered more than $2.2 billion to shareholders since the start of last year, and it reflects the strength of our business and our ability to generate cash. There is no change to the way we run our business as a consequence of an increase in the dividend. We set our reserves assuming a $1,200 gold price. We build our mine plans off those reserves, and we make investment decisions on that same $1,200 price assumption. I'm really excited about our fourth quarter. It's going to be the strongest quarter for Newmont this year. At three of our operations, we're entering into higher grade: Boddington and Tanami in Australia and Akyem in Ghana. And we're on track to meet our full year guidance for this year. We're also making great progress on some of our key investments across our business. Tanami Expansion 2, the new mining method at the Subika underground mine at Ahafo in Ghana, and the new conveyor at Musselwhite is also progressing very well. I'm incredibly proud of how our team at Newmont has responded to COVID-19. Our teams continue to manage this virus. They continue to have the protocols in place and the rigour and discipline to ensure that we can manage this virus and mitigate the risk of it spreading around our operations. Another area that I'm particularly proud of is our Community Support Fund and the work we've done to provide help to those local communities in which we live and work around food security, around health, and around economic resilience for some of the businesses in those local communities. Our purpose at Newmont is to create value and improve lives through responsible and sustainable mining. To achieve that purpose, you must have good ESG performance and you must be a leader in the ESG space. We are proud of our leadership position, but we also recognise to be a leader that you have to constantly challenge yourself and be prepared to learn and improve. One of the key things we're doing right now is setting targets for 2030 for our organisation. And over the next month or so, we'll issue those targets publicly and then hold ourselves to account to deliver on those targets over the next decade.